Hello everyone, this is Jason from China. Today I will share the downstream market application of nylon. Enjoy sharing. Let's start with most familiar nylon 6 and nylon 6/6. Look at the below chart. The above roughly introduce the application of nylon 6 and nylon 6/6. Some industrial applications may not be included, especially the application of many structural parts in the different industries. Welcome everybody to continue to complement. The following is the production capacity structure and application consumption ratio of nylon 6 in China. And below is the application consumption ratio of nylon 6/6. From here, we can see that the main application of nylon 6/6 is modification nylon, which is one of major engineered plastics. Due to more limited hexadiamine technology, China's PA66 currently rely on several international brand suppliers mentioned earlier. Then, let's see what's the application ratio for PA66 modification industry. See that a large part of the application is in the field of auto parts. Then, let's look at the nylon application details on the car. For petrol vehicle. For electrical vehicle. Also, I've listed some main applications for aliphatic nylon. Regarding the application of semi-aromatic nylon and full aromatic nylon, it is currently applied in high-precision products and high-strength fibers and their related products. Many polymers do not sell raw materials to the market. In the case of high physical and mechanical properties of transparent polymer plastic, such as high temperature, pressure resistance, solvent, environment, etc., the general transparent polymer materials have been difficult to meet the requirement of use, and transparent nylon is a polymer material with excellent comprehensive properties, like the well-known EMS Guillemette TR90, used to make spectacle frames, etc. Transparent nylon is now widely used in the mechanical and electrical mechanical parts around fuel and oil, known as lighter oil tank, flow meter sleeve, filter cup, circuit breaker, etc. Especially in the field of precision optical instruments, pressure resistance windows, viewing glasses, special lamp cover, high-grade sports equipment, and all these applications are irreplaceable. Copolyamide redden copolymerization, the industry is more widely used in the hot melt adhesive. Copolyamide, of which high molecular weight polyamide hot heat adhesive is mainly used in clothes, textile, and other industries. Low molecular weight polyamide hot melt adhesive is used in leather, fabric, plastics, metals, etc. Among them, low voltage injection molded polyamides is the most widely used, including printed circuit boards, automotive electronics, automotive wiring harness, inductors, and so on. That's all for today. The application of nylon family is very wide. People, after long-term analysis and research, according to their own characters and modification to apply to every industry, some types of nylon can also be replaced each other according to the requirements. This is my introduction of nylon family applications. We'll share the modification of nylon 6 and nylon 6/6 in future, because our factory use nylon 6 and nylon 6/6 as a main raw material for compounding. This is Jason, a layman who studied nylon. Thank you. See you later.